news coming in at the moment as far as the vice presidential election is concerned. We're seeing, of course, how YSRCP has backed the NDA pick. However, the Congress is taking pot shots at Jagan Mohan Reddy, says fear of CBI cases are guiding Jagan. Let's quickly go across to my colleague Amita, who has that tweet with her.
Yes. Madhav, let's put out what Manikanta Gaur of the Congress party has to say as far as when it comes to the background of Mr. C.P. Radhakrishnan is something that they have questioned right from the day his name was announced as the NDA pick. And of course, other parties who are now not part of the NDA extended his support to Mr. C.P. Radhakrishnan. This is the Congress MP now taking on them, saying that history won't forget Mr. Y.S. Jagan Reddy's betrayal by supporting an RSS-backed candidate for vice president. He has chosen fear of CBI cases over the interest of the state of Andhra Pradesh. This is not about strategy. This is about surrendering to Modi and Babu's pressure instead of standing with democratic forces. Jagan's compromise today will be remembered as the day he placed his personal survival above people's mandate. Andhra deserved courage. He chose cowardice. When leaders bend before Delhi out of fear, they betray the people who trusted them. Jagan will be remembered not just as a fighter but as a politician who sold his spine to escape the CBI courtrooms. His MPs did the mock polling. They told us they have been asked by Jagan to vote for Babu's candidate. This is exactly when we speak of the political parties not part of the NDA. Madhav has now extended support to the NDA pick.
All right. Thanks so much for that, Amita. Let me get in a quick word from Niyamika as well. Niyamika, you're at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. What's happening over there? Are leaders of the Congress and other allies of the India bloc arriving there? What's happening? Because now Congress has already started taking pot shots at YSRCP. What really are they expecting? Are they expecting to see some cross-voting from the India alliance camp as well?
Well, yes, indeed, the opposition parties are pinning hopes upon the cross-party support, and that is the only reason why in the past also we have seen that how they were also trying to mount pressure upon the Telugu parties as the responsibility was being given to the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy to speak to all of these leaders. But we have seen that how TDP and YSRCP has made this announcement recently only that they are going to support the NDA candidate only, and that is the only reason why today it is the Congress party's MP, Mr. Manikanta Gaur, who is also the polling agent of Mr. Sudarshan Reddy. He has taken a pot shot over YSRCP's take regarding the VP election, as he has stated that it is Jagan Mohan Reddy's fear of the CBI cases which has made him take this kind of a decision, as he had stated that for him this fear is above the Telugu pride. As for that reason, he has stated that Andhra Pradesh doesn't deserve this kind of a attitude from the leader, as the Andhra Pradesh people deserves courage over the surrender which is being done by Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy. If you talk about the opposition strategy in particular, then clearly it seems like they are having some kind of hopes for the cross-party support. As for that reason, they are stating that it is a fight to safeguard the constitution, and that is the only reason why they are.
They were certainly hoping that there would be more support coming in from parties, particularly from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, the Telugu-speaking states, for Justice Reddy, who is the India Alliance candidate. Thanks so much for that quick update, Niyamika.